Hey, how's it? Welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, and we're gonna do another card breaks. But first, we're gonna do the unboxing. So this is gonna be the, as you can tell by the thumbnail, the 1991 Upperdeck. So I'm gonna open this up. I actually got this for a very good deal. I think it came out with shipping. It was under 15 bucks. So I'm thinking it was like $12.99 or something like that. So yeah. Alright, open this up. Get rid of this tape. Right. Packaging. Throw it off to the side. And bam! There it is. The 1991 NFL Upperdeck. Alright. Cool. See, it's still sealed, as you can tell. Still got the plastic wrapping on it, and this is from 1991. Let's take a look at the box real quick. That cover. I actually have this card right here. This Joe Montana one. I forgot. I think I bought it like at a card show or something, but yeah. But you know, going for that Brett Favre rookie card, and then of course one of the junior sale base cards as well. So, all right. So let's open up this box. Get rid of this plastic right here. That original plastic, as you can tell, it even has the upper deck on it, as you can see. Get a better look at it. Right there on the plastic. As you can see, it says upper deck on it. And it's kind of pretty cool. All right, so let's get into this. Up to the side. Here we go. Bam. So here's how it looks. This is one of the first packs. Classic right here. A lot of memories. Alright, let's open this up. Go to the first one. Let's see what we got. I need that junior sale base card. And of course that Brett Favre rookie. Alright, let's see. This pack's a little bit more, more sealed on. Good. Alright, there we go. Alright, I like them. Time it's gonna start giving me difficulties with these. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, interesting. It's facing the back, so let's do this. Alright, so first one up, we got Roger Craig. Alright, y'all, so that was on my memory card. I guess it was full. You know, I charged the battery, made sure everything else was good, but I forgot about the memory card. So, yeah, now we're back. Let's do this. Alright, so we got Roger Craig. Eric Metcalf. Oh, Steve Young right there. Put that off to the side. Anthony Carter, Vikings. Danny Stubbs. And of course, I'm not the best with names, so I'm going to be butchering them, and I might just pronounce just the first name or the last name, so don't get mad at me. What is this? Is that Marino? Oh, the checklist. We got John Offerdale. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Hobby Brenner. Man, you can tell, like, look at that spacing right there. Man. Definitely not, you know, a Met Gym. We got Eric Metcalf. Team MVP one. Ricky Fro. Oh, well, the fridge. William Perry. I mean, let's see if y'all can see it, but see how, like, a lot of these, like, the borders definitely off. Right, and then we got Charles Mann. Right. That off to the side. Open up pack number 2. Oh, that's just that pack, or I don't remember the other ones of the borders being that bad. Damn. It might have been just that pack, but let's see. Right, pack number 2. We got Shane Conlan. You got Tommy Kane. You got Ben Smith. Dennis Gentry. Andre Bruce. Oh, Sterling Sharp, team MVP. All right. That one off to the side. You got Jim B. You got another checklist. Henry Illard. Art Monk. Percy Snow. Eddie Anderson. Unless it's supposed to be like that, but it's just a lot of border space right there. But I guess maybe if you count from that bottom right there. So I don't know. I mean, we'll see with the other packs and if it's just like that or just how it is. You know, I'm not too sure. All right, so let's go to pack number 3. All right, so we got Keith Jackson. So I mean, it's kind of cool. Some of these cards are standing up. Some of them are sideways, like this one right here, a sideways one. Al Toon. Because this is like the checklist. Pepper Johnson. All right, I'm trying to get the right angle if I should go on this side or that side, so bear with me. I think the last time I did on that, the camera was on that side, but I think this one comes out better. So we got Drew Hill. Got Jeff Legman. Mike Saxon. Should we do on this side? Got Elvin Walton. Okay, yeah, we'll do it from this side. Guy McIntyre. Bob Golick. Oh, Ron Rivera, the coach. Clay Matthews. And then Calvin Williams. All right, pack number 4. And that first one was like ridiculous to open. These other ones are not too bad. All right, so we got Albert Lewis. Oh, Lawrence Taylor. Okay. I don't know if these are special because it's the checklist. It's kind of cool. I'll put that to the side. Jackie Slater. Sammy Smith. Carnell Lake. And these cards are all in different direction. Hartley Dykes. Wilbur Marshall. Dion Cherry. Then we got Bart Oates. Ronnie Harmon. First Charger card out of the box. Pat Beach. Vinny Testaverde. That smooth Tampa Bay jersey. Alright, let's go to pack 5. Alright, so we got Ken Harvey. Stuck on it. Oh, okay. Chargers checklist. Anthony Miller. Put that to the side. We got Kenneth Davis. Boomer Esiason. All right. Ed West. Leonard Marshall. Seth Joyner. Mark Jackson. Okay, Marcus Allen. All right. Hall of Famer Ricky Sanders. Oh, Joe Montana. All right, I actually have this card, but now I got doubles. All right, Joe Montana right here. Let's put that one off to the side. We'll compare it to the one I got that has in the hard plastic. I'll grab it later. Rodney Hampton. Actually, I don't even know where it's at, so maybe I won't grab it. Alright, I think it's pack number 6. I could be wrong. Alright, this up. There we go. Alright, you can tell already from there. Steve Atwater. Now I'm already forgetting like what I was doing on the cards. Steve Atwater. You got Barney Busey, Jim Lackey, Broderick Thomas, Ian Beckles, Andre Rison, team MVP, Tim Brown, all right, Troy Epps, Emmitt Smith, okay, team MVP. Put that to the side. Merrill Hodge, Bobby Herbert, and Chris Dishman. Let's go. Next pack. Oh, Sterling Sharp right there in the front. One of my favorite players back in the day. Of course, brother to Shannon Sharp. So we got Sterling Sharp. Then Johnny Johnson Phoenix checklist. Got Chris Miller. Richmond Webb. Richard Johnson. I almost thought that was Barry at first. Thought it was Barry Sanders. I just saw that position, but it wasn't. You got Jesse Tuggle, Tom Newberry, Johnny Johnson, Johnny Holland, Pat Terrell, Irving Fryer. Let's go to the next. Oh, Troy Aikman right at the top. All right. Seems like a lot of the good ones are right at the top. Besides that Joe Montana, I think that was like the second to the end in that pack. But it's always this. Okay, this time it's not that hard to get out. Troy Aikman. We got Wayne Haddix. Got Rod Woodson. Morton Anderson. We got Mark Murphy. All right, let's go back to this one. Team MVP Warren Moon. Roy Green. Andre Ware. Oh, Dan Marino. Okay, Team MVP Dan Marino. We got Vance Johnson. Okay. Oh, wow. Aerial threats, Joe Montana, Jerry Rice. This is the smooth card right here. Going off to the side. Then we got Sean Landetta. All right. Not a bad pack. Let's go to the next one. Iggy Woods right here out on the top. You got Fred Stokes, Tom Rathman, you got Ronaldo Turnbull, Bobby Brenner, Thurman Thomas, Team MVP. I don't know if he was a league leader this year. I think he was the year before. Bruce Matthews, Sam Mills. And you got Bobby Humphrey, Team MVP. You got Clyde Simmons. Whoa. Clyde Simmons. You got Andre Reed. And you can see that snow in the... Or is that a messed up card? But I think it's the snow. The snow in the background. And then Mark Ripken. Alright, let's keep it going. Should be 36 packs in these, so it's gonna be a minute. Alright, here we got here. See a Chargers. Billy Ray Smith. Alright. So we got Billy Ray Smith. Jerry Rice checklist. Pretty cool. Stephen Baker. We got Anthony Toney. Guy McIntyre. I think this is my first double, or probably the first double that I remembered. Mark Carrier. Ray Childress. Fred Marion. If you guys know the Pro Set one, it has John Taylor, you know, his belt hanging down. But it's almost like the same photo. But this one doesn't have his belt hanging down. I think it's the same photo as that Pro Set one. That's actually a collector's item. Actually, I did a card break on the Pro Set, but I didn't get the one with the belt. Yeah, I got like 2 of his cards, but not the one with the belt, which of course, you know, is worth money right there. So we got Chip. Okay, Reggie White. Nice. Tommy Kane. And you got Jim Arnold. And a lot of these cards are like facing different directions on here. I want to keep it all in one, facing one way. All right, so we got Clyde Simmons. Then we got, oh, Deion Sanders checklist. Oh, nice. I like this one. The prime time right there. Boom. Smooth checklist, smooth art right there. I like how they put the nicknames in it. We got Frank Cornish. You got Jim Jensen. Daron Cherry. You got Rob Moore. You got Charles Mann. Michael Haddix. John Elliott. I think it was John Jumbo Elliott, right? That was his nickname. So we're on the nickname thing. Yep, ready to see Jumbo right there on the reading on it. You got, oh, Marion Butts. Former Charger right there. Wayne Haddix, I think this is the second one. And Steve Christie. Alright. Doesn't seem like too many doubles. Or maybe I'm just forgetting. It could be that. Alright, to the next one. Alright, Mario Hodge. I think this is a double. Okay, Randall Cunningham. Let's see how the front looks. Alright, not too bad. Dave Wademer. Eric Martin. You got Fred Marion again. Belt not hanging down. Gary Clark. Chris Dishman. I think this is the double. Kent Hull. Got Leonard Marshall. Oh, Randall Cunningham. All right, Randall Cunningham base card. Then we got Kevin Fagan. And we got Chris Spielman. Keep going to the next one. It's Marion Butts again. Oh, Gil Bird. Oh, I thought that was Marion Butts. Gil Bird. Man, these cards get sticky on here. Got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers one, Vinny T. Let's see how that one looks. Not bad. I do like that orange though, that peach color. Scott Davis. You got Felix Wright. Mark Jackson. I think this is another one I have. You got Dave Meggett. Mark Bavaro. I can't say it right now. You got Ricky N. You got Aaron Wallace. You got Derek F. Joey Broner. And then Terry McDaniel. So pack right there. Nothing too special in that one. Oh, Randall Cunningham right in the front. I think it's a double, isn't it? I think I already had this one. So we got Randall Cunningham. We got Robert Blackman. Got Ernest Biner. Altoon. Troy Epps. Got Neil Anderson. Kevin Ross. Chris Hinton. Oh, Barry Sanders. There we go. Team MVP Barry Sanders. Put that one off to the side. And I see Billy Ray Smith from the Chargers again. Mike Kinn. And Mike Kofer. All right. Right to the next one. I don't even think I really got some rookies in this. Now it's Marion Butts. Alright, Tim McGee. Carl Mecklenburg. Then we got Troy Mandarich. Sam Mills. Boomer Esiason. Lorenzo White. Steve Walsh. Sterling Sharp, another team MVP. I think I already had this one. Albert Lewis. Cornelius Bennett. And Keith Byers. Alright. Hey, still no rookie Brett Favre card. Oh, is this Deion? Yep. Deion Sanders, baby. Bam. Prime time. And there's a card next to it. I mean, behind it. Alright, Kevin Fagan. I think I already have that one. Put Deion over there. I got Ernie Jones. Kevin Mack. Another checklist. I don't think I have that checklist though. Albert Bentley. Gary Anderson. David Little. And Anthony Carter. Wasn't the one on the Eagles earlier? Could be wrong. John Taylor. Oh, okay. Dan Marino area threat. Nice. One off to the side. Then we got Howie Long. All right, to the next pack. It's supposed to be like 29 rookies in this. Or the first 1 to 29 is the rookies. Damn, why is this pack being like this? Oh, there we go. Oh, Bo Jackson right there in the front. Nice. All right, Bo Jackson. All right, put that one off to the side. We got Brett Perryman. Brian Hinkle. You got Dane Gash. Andre Ware. Steve DeBerg. Team MVP. Rich Camarillo. Jerry Ball. One of Camarillo is the one that made the belts. I could be wrong though. The workout belts. Jerry Ball. John Stevens. I'm gonna have to look into that though. Eugene Robinson. Okay, Warren Moon area threat. I think I have this one. Then Raina Thompson. We got Bo Jackson right on the top. Looks like some of the good ones are right on the top, or the second to it so far. Alright, so we got Tim Harris. Eric Metcalf checklist. It's just him right there. Got Tim Green. James Francis. Tom Newberry. Oh, Barry Sanders. All right. Got the Barry Sanders base. One of my favorite players all time. Bam. Barry Sanders. Put that one off to the side. Then we got Eddie Anderson. Keith Sims. Anthony Thompson. Tim Harris. Javaris Williams. And then we got Reggie Roby. Alright, let's get to the next one. Alright, I got a Barry Sanders base. Nice. Still need that Brett Favre rookie. So we got Derek Finner. John Elway one. Let's see how this one looks. Alright, not too bad. We got Dan S. We got Reggie Lanford. I might know how to say his name, but right now I'm probably going to butcher it. But, you know, I normally know how to say his name. Got Ricky N. This is a double. Oh, LT. Lawrence Taylor. All right. Lawrence Taylor base card. Sean Landetta. Ron Ha. And then I remember this one right here. I think this is a checklist. Yep. It's a copy of that. Gil Bird. Dang, no Junior Seau card? What's going on here? Got JoJo Tonsell and Alan Pinkett. All right. Football Heroes Joe Montana. Nice. Oh, Jerry Rice, all right. Right behind it, too. Nice. That's a good way of putting it. Right behind the Joe Montana. Okay. That one off to the side. Another local guy, or was he from Tonga? He went to BYU. So we got Vi. Carl Zander. You got Jerry Ball again. Greg Thompson. Mark Bortz. Dwight Stone. Pat Swilling. You got Brian Noble. Steve DeBerg, aerial threat. And then we got Pharrell Edmonds. Alright, the more we go, the more it's getting better. Usually it's the other way around when I do these card breaks. So that's pretty cool. We got Jeff Hostetler, I mean. Chris Carter. Alright. Bubby Brister. Al Baker. David Little. Henry Ellard. Rodney Peete. Otis Anderson. Team MVP. Rod Bernstein. Okay, another Randall Cunningham aerial threat. I think I have this. I don't know, but I'll put that to the side. We go. Oh, doubles in the same pack. All right. Let's get to the next one. All right, Reggie White right on there. I think that's the second Reggie White I have. So Reggie White. Benny Blades. Wes Hopkins. Dang, no rookie. I wonder if there's should be a different box for it. I know they have the updated set, but it shouldn't be in this one. Mark Carrier. Chris Hinton. Eric Metcalf. Dino Hackett. I mean, I didn't even get like a Ricky Waters rookie either. Simon Fletcher. All right, Warren Moon, Team MVP. I think I already have this one. Keith Jackson. Barry Wood. Then we got Mike Rozier. All right. My Brett Favre rookie card still not here. Remember back in the day, the Upper Deck cards were a little bit more expensive than like your tops and your scorecards. Ricky Farrell. I'm probably saying that wrong. Okay, Dan Marino. Alright. Kind of basic. Terrence Mathis. Ron Morris. Michael Haddix. And this is like the third card I got of him already. Heat Sherman. Mark Ripken. Jerry Holmes. Richard Johnson. I thought another one was stuck on it. Yankee Woods right here. I think this looks like a different card. I could be wrong though. Then you got Brett Perriman and then Reggie Cobb. Alright, so we got Tim McDonald. Troy Aikman, I think already, yeah. It's not bad. I mean, kind of cool with the star like that. Darryl Talley. Thought something was stuck on it. Craig Hayward. Kent Hull. Darrell Green. I think he was the fastest guy in the league at that year. Michael Cofair. Jim Ricker. Oh, another Barry Sanders. All right. I'll take that. Steve Atwater. Okay, another Jerry Rice. All right. Oh, what's that holographic thing right there? John Stevens. Oh, Marcus Allen. All right, Game Breaker. Pretty cool, especially for that time, you know. So Marcus Allen one. I'll put that one off to the side. Oh, put this away while we get to the next pack. That was kind of cool. All right, a little cool insert. So we got Ronnie Harmon, Charger. Haseen Jones. Okay, Michael Irvin. All right. Off to the side. Then we got Reuben Mays. We got Steve Walsh. Emmitt Smith, Team MVP. I think I have this one, but I could be wrong. Curtis Duncan. Tony Bennett. Albert Bentley. Anthony Miller. All right. Great receiver for the Chargers. John Gitzik. I think that's how you say his name. Then Sid Joyner. Yeah, alright. I mean, that's cool, that holographic one. I know they were saying that it was in there, but damn, I still didn't even get a rookie. I really want that Brett Favre rookie card. I don't have a Brett Favre rookie card, so that would be cool to have one. Alright, come on. What's going on here? Alright, we got Johnny Holland. I think I have this one already. Thurman Thomas checklist. I think I have this one. So basic. Could have done something else to it. Ron Stark. Keith Millard. Keith Sims. Okay, then the base Marcus Allen card. Go with that holographic one, which is totally different. Howie Long. Oh, I had this one. Ken Norton, alright. Great player right there. Andre Rison. I think this is the second one I have. Alright, what's going on here? Which one stuck to it? Oh, Sterling Sharp. Okay. Nice. William White. Tim McKay. And then we got Albert Bentley. Jeff Herod, I'm probably saying it wrong. Brian Blades. Harold Green. Dwight Stone. Okay, Team MVP Dan Marino. I think I have this one. I'm not too sure. Got Mike Biab. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Dennis Bird. Can never say this guy's name, but it's oh, all right, stuck to it. But Jim Everett, area threat. Then we got Dan Machowski. Makowski, like I don't even know what I'm saying it right. John Offerdale, Derek Finner, and then Keith Jackson. Right. Almost done with this box. All right, another Joe Montana Football Heroes. I think this is a different one. Different one than the one I got. Put that to the side. Boomer Esiason. Boomer on it. So we got John Alt. Vince Newsom. Ron Hall. Johnny Johnson. Raina Thompson. Paul Gerber. Thurman Thomas, team MVP. Heavily bent. Ken Harvey. Isaac Holt. And Bob Golick. I think we're down to like 10 packs right now. Or I think this is 11 or 12. That one off to the side. That way we got Mike Saxon. Jeff Langman. Bert Grossman. I think this is a different Bert one. So you got the blood on it. Mike Singletary. Simon Fletcher. Bobby Humphrey, which is checklist. Andre Bruce, Steve DeBerg, team MVP. Dexter Carter, Scott Case, and Jesse Tuggle. Dang, I want another hologram one. Let's see if I can get another one before we're done. James Williams. Another Joe Montana. I know that's the double right there. You got Don M again. Billy Joe Tolliver. Alright. Chargers quarterback. I was wondering where all the Charger ones are. Rodney Peete. You got Anthony Carter. Tim Worley. Randall Cunningham, team MVP. I don't know if I got this one or not. What's going on here? It's stuck. It's stuck again. I finally see a star rookie, but it's not who I want. Brian Blades. Nick Bell. I don't even remember this dude. Tim Brown. Great player. Andre Tippett. That's the only rookie I got so far? That's crazy. Damn, you know, but it's not Brett Favre. I got Lewis Lips. I think I just already got him not too long ago. Jeff George. Kind of basic art. James Hasty. Richard Dent. Look at that visor. Kind of smooth. Jerry Holmes. Jesse Small. Keith Byers. Ed West. David Meggett. Roger Craig. Chris Carter. And then Jay Helgenberg. I think I was close on that name. Alright, so we got Ricky Sanders. Let's see this Neil Anderson one. Alright, this one's pretty cool. I don't know why they gave Troy Aikman and all the other ones basic ones, but that one's not bad. Steve Atwater. I mean, compared to the other guys, you know. Steve Tasker. Jerry Robinson. Ken Norton. Aaron Wallace. Pharrell Edmonds. Danny Stubbs. Neil Anderson. Louis Lips. Martin Mayhew. And Wilbur Marshall. Alright, down to the final four right here. Final four of the packs, as you can see. Bam. Alright, let's see if we can get another hologram or that Brett Favre. Let's do it. Alright, Bill Brooks. Pat Terrell. Rod Bernstein. Feels weird on the back of that one. Wade Wilson. Mike Biab. John Stevens. He's the team MVP for the Patriots at that time. Paul Farron. Johnny Johnson. Alright, I see a star rookie thing, but we'll see. Bobby Brister. Randall Hill. Bruce Matthews. And then Barry Wood. No Brett Favre. Brett Favre was actually the first jersey I ever bought. You know, even though I'm a Chargers fan, I was a huge Brett Favre fan. That was the first jersey I ever got. I got off of QVC back in the day. Okay, another Joe Montana football heroes. Alright. 1988 rematch. Okay. I think this is a different one too. Oh, Derek Thomas, rest in peace. Pretty cool. A little bit different. Jay Schroeder. Pat Swilling. Jim Richer. Monte Coleman. Mike Rozier. Richmond Webb. I think this is another LT. You already have one. Got Bobby Humphrey. I'm sure this is like my third one of them. Jeff Harrod, I'm sure I got that. Brent Williams. Alright. Down to the final two. So the one hologram so far and two rookies. Greg Townsend. Pat Beach. Jay Novacek. Vince Buck. Tony Bennett. Okay, Barry Sanders, team MVP. I think I already had this one. Could be wrong. Freddie Joe Nunn. Mark Murphy. Uh-oh. I see that hologram in the back. Mark Murphy. Greg Townsend. I see a hologram. John Elway. I think this is the first John Elway. To the side. Kelvin Martin. Mark Bauer. Oh, yeah. Barry Sanders one. All right. I'm happy about this. That's a Denton right there. All right, cool. Barry Sanders hologram. Nice. One of my favorite players of all time. All right. I'm happy about this one. Holographic Game Breaker. All right. Down to the last pack. Usually the last pack I get usually is nothing, but let's be positive. Let's hope there's that Brett Favre rookie or, hey, another Game Breakers. And it's not. I can't tell from the back. Bobby Humphrey. Mark Kelso. Another checklist. Flipper Anderson. Paul Gerber. Anthony Thompson. Willie Gout. Ian Beckles. Boomer Esiason. Tim McDonald. Dennis Byrd. And Ray Childers. Alright, so that's all of it right there. Didn't get that Brett Favre rookie, but I got that Game Breakers Barry Sanders. It's a cool card. Holographic. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be doing plenty more game card breaks. So, yeah, I'm going to check the value on some of these. I mean, we'll see how much it's worth, but, you know, not expecting much. I knew how much the Brett Favre was worth, so kind of disappointed I didn't get it. But I know there's the NFL of the what do you call it? Of the Upper Deck. There's the another complete set, and I think maybe that has the rookie in it. But I thought the rookie was in this one. But you know, what can you do? All right, y'all. Thank you.